How to rotate photo in Picsart. Need to fix or creatively rotate a photo? Here's how to do it in Picsart. First, open your image and click on the Tools menu. Click Flip or Rotate, then select the Rotate option. You can rotate in 90-degree increments or use the slider for precise angles. Fine-tune until the orientation looks perfect. And once you are happy, click Apply. You can even combine rotation with other effects for creative layouts. Do you prefer exact rotations or creative tilts? Share it in the comments below. Slide rotation can help straighten crooked horizons in landscape photos. And that's how you can rotate photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.